When you click one of the images in the Mixed Arrangements page of the Hansel and Petal website, it takes you to a details page which contains some hard-coded dummy text. It doesn't matter which image you click, you always come back to the same page. So let's adapt this page so that it loads the details of the correct product. And for it to do so, the links to this details page need to identify which image has been clicked. The main content in the Mixed Arrangements page is being drawn from a database. So if we have a quick look at the database, we can see what we can use to identify each image. And each row in the database table contains an ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So we can use that in a query string of our URL. So let's go to our editing program, and the link to details PHP is on line 64. What we need to do is to add query string at the end of that. So question mark, ID equals, and then we need to have a PHP block to show us the ID, the value. And we're going through the loop, and row is an associative array that contains the values of each column in the table. So we need row, and then in brackets ID, close brackets. There we are. Let's save that page, go back to our browser and Mixed Arrangements. Let's go to Mixed Arrangements and we'll click one of these. It's Raining Flowers. And if we look at the URL, it's details PHP question mark ID equals. Oh dear, there should actually be the ID there. And this is actually a very common problem. I did it not exactly deliberately myself, but the common problem is you forget to put in echo. So let's put in echo there and save. Go back to Mixed Arrangements, and then we'll click Brighten Any Day. And now we've got a query string ID equals 7. And if we go back to Mixed Arrangements, Get Well Soon, ID equals 5. So that's the way in which we're going to be able to load the information from our database into this details page. And that's the next task.